So, all right, guys, we are live. So today we are implementing a configurable file context. To be specific, we are resolving or implementing this feature request here. This one, after the tree rendering, we have to show the revision time, size, and statuses in a perfect manner like this. So this is, let's assume this is the tree structure. This is git status, revision time, your file size, and etc. etc. So today we are implementing those things because git status just before the file name, it's not a good thing. I mean, it's not fully readable. So we are just implementing a better rendering format for that. So that's the whole thing that we are doing today. Okay, so let's begin. So the current progress is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it's yeah, it's pretty good. So let me just make a link for that. Not this one, workspace.file/target. Maybe not target, it could be a link like that, and that will be a target.txt like that. So let's make that thing, and let's see if that works perfectly or not. Almost perfectly. Not completely. Wait just a minute. Let me fix something. UI. UI for this thing. So. Let's see the display length, right? So what is the display length? Display length. I think it's not calculating correctly. So let's see. So display length is 13, right? All right. So this is the display length. Let me just count those things. How we can count those things, because I have some auto commands. Okay. So if I do like equals vim dot api.nvim get a current line, and we can do some operations on that. Maybe just let's get the length. So the length is 15. And what is the display length of this thing? Win.fn.str display width. Let's see. It's 13. That's something. I didn't expect that thing. Maybe because this icon is not rendering correctly. Maybe. So let me just change it to link. Let's remove the target.txt, and let's remove the link as well, and let's make a target folder and make a link between them like that. And let's see, still this is too far away. This is too far away, man, and I don't want that thing. I want this link to be you know, just after this file name, or you can say directory name, which is the link. Why is this thing happening? Because this length is not correct actually. Hi Soberus, welcome to the live stream. Today we are just figuring out some positioning, just positioning of some status symbol or maybe some other information about file system item. And this positioning is not that great. For some reason, this is too far away. This is literally too far away. And I think I think I should do two for that. Right. And what should I do? And if I do this, like that. Hi Zainab, welcome to live stream. This is so annoying. Why this thing is so far away from this link? Actually, I know why it's far away from link, because the length is 13 for this. What to say? Let me just print out inspect, or maybe just vim.inspect vim.inspect for vim.api.nvim get current line, like that. I believe. Okay, I got it. Why? Okay, I got it. So we have to subtract the 5 from this line, because not 5, actually 6, because the length of no, we need a space as well, so we subtract 5 only from that. And the same for this thing. Same for here. Let's see if this works. Yeah, this thing's working. So we are not considering those things like here. This is interesting. I wonder why we are not considering those things here. Because, wait just a minute. If I go to components, if I go to components, and here we have markers and we have words. So we are iterating towards each of the word and calculating the display width for that. Okay, I got it. So we don't have to count those things. I got it. So we have to subtract 5 from here. Because id is a fixed length string, so we have to just it's okay to have hard-coded value for here. We can refactor this later. So let's just remove that thing from here, and here from as well. And let's try to see. Much better. I think it's pretty good in my opinion. So actually we have to do this thing, because this width is calculated irrespective of the display lines. So I think we can also do that. Wait just a minute. Here, and okay, we should not consider this thing. Okay, let's just remove that thing. We will not consider that. Not even this thing. And let's try to do this. Okay, so we have exact width, which is, I think we need a little bit of space. I think 2 spaces are enough. So let me just add 2 spaces here. I know code is not that great. We have to refactor this code. What do you guys think about this? Just give me a hint. I mean, how this thing is looking. Like if I let's say open the neovim, you can see those things are moving according to the maximum width, like this, not this. You can see, yeah. Hmm. Maybe I should use a different marker because it looks a little odd. Yeah, we can remove that thing. I think it doesn't necessary to have this thing, right? Not this one, just this thing. Let's remove this one, and what else we need? We don't have to calculate the display length, right? We don't need that thing. Let's just remove this thing, and let's try to do that again. And yeah. So how we can distinguish between between a link and a normal file system item? It's kind of simple thing actually. Let's see how neotree does that thing. So if I do editor, and let's enable the neotree, right? Neotree, come on. Okay, let's install that thing. Let's see how neotree. Let's open neotree and the link. Wait, what? There's no difference. There's no difference between a link and a normal file system item. Yeah, there's no difference. So what we can do? I think it's okay to leave it like that, right? So let's do neotree. I mean, editor. Let's do app. Yeah, perfect. All right, then what's next? What's next? Let's render some more details about the file system item. Let's include what to say. Let's say file size. So file tree, and in file tree, these are the git symbols and the git highlight group. We can do one more thing, which is size, right? So let's do size here, and size is an integer thing, right? And what's next? How we can do that? So that's this thing is a dynamic thing, so we will update those things here. And where we can update those things, entry by ID, this thing here, here. So let's add one more field for the size like that, and in size we will provide a thing. So let's go to fs lua, and in the list dir list dir we have to provide some more things about, I mean, more information about this file entry or item entry, whatever. So we can use stats for that. So what should we do? What we should do about this? Resolved path, resolved stats, maybe like that. So stats are equals to what I'm doing here. This is the resolved path, right? Wait just a minute. It doesn't matter. The full path is the absolute path. So stats like hell uv.fsstat for the item dot path, like that. So what's the next thing? Item dot size is equals to stats dot size, like that. Check for null safety. All right then. If stats like that, beautiful. So we have sizes. All right. Do we have any other size like blk size? What is this thing? Let's take fsstat thing size and blk size. What's the difference between them? I mean, just whatever. Who cares? All right then. What to do next? Nothing. Hmm. 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 So entry. We must have an entry, right? Wait just a minute. We have to refresh everything from scratch, right? Yeah, that makes sense. So entry paths. We are moving around between the children's, and we are deleting the children, which is not necessary to have. And on the else block, we are just simply updating the details about the file system item. That's the thing we are doing here. How to get the size? I don't have any idea about that. So where we are using these entries, like that, here, here, and here. So entry paths Okay, got it. All right, let's duplicate that thing and let's do size and entry paths by what is the path for that? Child entry dot path dot size. This is how we do that, and this is the entry. So let's duplicate that thing and do size for entry dot size like that. Right, here we go. So what's the next thing? Let's just um, render those things. um, so no, we will render that thing after the git status. So if we have gits, if we have item.size, then we will do the highlight will be the same as conceal, right? This will be conceal, and wait just a minute. Do we have any better colors? Maybe gray. Uh, what? No, we don't have that thing. So let's just go with the conceal. We will add more colors later, and we have what is this thing actually? To string item dot size, right that. Maybe 6. Let's see. We don't have any size here. That's interesting. Suppose we must have that thing. So if I print those things like item and try to do that here, we don't have sizes here. So okay, I got it, why we don't have those things. So let's remove that and file tree to table, and from here we have to include the sizes as well. So let's do size and entry dot size like that. So here let's do, so these are the sizes. Let me just let me just open the Nautilus, and let's see. Let's go to workspaces and dot files. Where to start? This is the Starship toml file. And what's the, oh, so these are the number of bytes. Got it, got it. So these are the number of bytes. I got it. Fine. Let's close that. And now we just have to, make it more readable. Like, let's do, let's just, for now, let's just add a B for byte. Like that. Yeah, you can see here. These are the get status symbol, and this is the, what to say? Oh, wait just a minute. Wait just a minute. Why those information? Why these information are too far away from these things? We no longer have what to say, the markers. We no longer have those markers. Oh, okay. Let's remove that as well. And maybe this time, yeah, it's working. So if I open neovim like that, those things will started to shift their cell. I mean, the position got changed, or maybe not. Position is not changing at all. And I know why it's happening. Because we have to clear those things. I got it, I got it. No, 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 no. We are clearing those things. Then why the position is not changing? Come on, position has to be different. Position has to be different. Why is that? I don't have links Zenap for your channel actually. So um what is the problem? I mean, those things are not automatically shifted. Why is that? We have icons, right? And we have icons and we have icon name. Do we need anything else? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Well, let's do what to say. This is width plus 2 and this is width plus 6. So technically this has to be working. For some reason it's not. You know, if I open this. All right. You can see those things are not shifting anymore. So maybe we are calculating the maximum width in the wrong way. So this is the item name. Well, why are we doing this thing? We remove the ID and we successfully removed the ID, and what's next then? This is depth, and this is icon. This one is what to say. All right then. Let's just print out the max width. Max width. I mean, why it's not changing? Max width, like that. 17. It's still 17. And what about now? It's still 17.
Explore new
Why is this
music
thing?
into your
I mean,
music on
why?
Spotify Premium.
And
Spotify
wait just a
adds
minute.
recommendations into your
Wait
playlists to
just a
show you
minute.
new sounds. Or you can make music a shared experience when you host a jam
Okay,
where
okay,
you
fine,
and
fine,
your
fine, fine,
friends can
fine.
add songs and listen in together. Tap the banner to
But
learn more.
still, why this thing's not, I want to get the length. I want to get the length of this thing. So this one is the channel, right? Okay, I will check this after the live stream. Don't worry. What can we do about this? Why we are getting the same width every time? Let's just do some typing for now. I mean, just a quick test. Um, okay, let me just print out the line that we are, from which we are calculating the length, what to say, maximum length. Okay, so this is the link. What? Where is the ID? Oh, what is this thing? I think I know the problem is. I think I got the problem. Yeah, I think I got the problem. You are not going into the children's actually. Yeah, and this is pretty annoying. Hmm. Because in that way we are missing almost everything. But why this thing is not working? Oh, okay, I got it. Or maybe not. Okay, so I think we have to do something like, let's grab that thing here, remove that, and we can do something like item dot children. How about that? Maybe I'm wrong, but let's see. Holy. I think I'm super duper wrong at this point. What the what I'm doing here? Oh, got it, I guess. I think I messed up so badly. Oh man, what to do next then? What should I do? What should I do? Or maybe max width? How about that? Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh yeah. I think this is the correct thing. Now we are getting at the, good stuff. I think let me just change the color scheme. Um, this color scheme, I was trying this afternoon, this color scheme this afternoon, but I think it's not kind of working. So let me just change it to the OG Tokyo Night. Let's do that. Let's do here, 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 and just do Tokyo Night, night, night. Here you go. So that's all we need. Maybe can we back a little? Like this one. Require Tokyo Night setup opts. And what's the next thing? Swim.cmd color scheme, Tokyo Night, night. There you go. Yeah, looks great. Should I make it transparent or not? Okay, let's just leave this thing right now. We don't need that. Yeah, I think much better. Hey Ravish, welcome to the live stream. Long time no see. Or maybe it's not that long. I think I missed live stream maybe 2 or 3 days. I don't know, maybe about like that. Whatever. So we are just implementing a new rendering mechanism, or maybe new render format. You can see those stats corresponding to the file items or file system items. Now the git symbols will. I think we can remove the sizes. I'm not sure about the sizes yet. Right, size. So let's just remove those things. I really hate those. How are you? I'm fine. My Wi-Fi recharge is expired. I'm using hotspot. Jeez. Uh, but thanks that you're watching my live stream on your precious hotspot internet. Thanks. Thanks for supporting. Anyways, let's do where we are. What I was doing, yeah, I want to remove the file tree sizes. Size, let's remove that. Do we have size? Size. Okay, it looks promising. So now we have to do one more thing. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Git symbols are working perfectly. Like that. Let me just open those things in a floating window, like kind equals to float. Will that work? Yeah, absolutely. Those are working perfect. All right, so what's the next thing? We have to map those symbols because they are not user friendly. These symbols are not actually the user friendly symbols. So we have to do more like a neo tree. So neo tree.nvim. So let's take a look how neo tree render its icons. You can see the git status are not what to say, the symbols are kind of user friendly in neotree because neotree doesn't dump the git status fetching from the git directly towards the buffer. It transforms those git notations to those user friendly icons. So we have to do that as well. So we have to map those things because I mean most of the users doesn't understand what is MA, so we have to make those things user friendly. So how to, let's do nerd fonts cheat sheet like that. Diff. All right, so I want to map those icons, right? So git like that. So here we are doing this thing. So this is the mapper from this thing to this thing, right? So what we can do, let's say, I think Instead of doing those things one by one, we can use LLMs to do that. Let's ask with the DeepSeek. So uh, change the following code so that default git ASCII symbols status git status symbols ASCII should be converted to user read user friendly nerd font icons. Let's see, because DeepSeek knows better about the git status symbols, so DeepSeek knows which symbol fits where. Come on, what's taking you so long?
Your song of the
Let's
moment.
read some comments.
Download and indulge in the tracks you love over and over again with Spotify Premium. Tune
So
in
how
every
are you
Friday for
guys?
an ad-free music listening
Let's
experience
talk a
where
little
you choose your favorite
until
music
it's
anytime,
generating those git
anytime.
symbol
Learn
icons.
more.
I don't know why DeepSeek is so slow. So how are you guys doing today? Come on, what's taking you so long? You have to just change this thing, only this thing. How many lines of code it will be? Maybe 25, 30 lines of code, and all rest of the things are same. Come on. Okay, I think it's finally done. Let's see what icons it chooses. Wait, what? All right, then let's do. Um, let's remove one of them, and there's no more diagnostics at all. So what's the next thing? The status, this thing. So what we are doing here, um, maybe everything is handled auto-magically. Maybe. Wait, whoa, what? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Something's wrong. Invalid character in group name. Invalid character in group name. Did he messed up? um, Git status icons. Git status icon. So git status icon is mapping. Wait just a minute. Okay, so this table maps the symbols to the corresponding icons, right? And where's the HL group? Where is the HLG group? What? Wait just a minute. Where's the status function? This one. So what we are doing here is, if not status info, we are, wait just a minute, what we are doing here. So we are passing nothing. Status info icon. What is the status info actually? So status info is status map. So, okay, so this is the status info, not a big deal. Then what's next? If we have top level and the status info, if we don't have status info and the top level, then full path will be like that. And okay, then what we are doing here? Why LLMs make things super complicated for no reason? Okay, I got it. Let's remove that. Maybe this is the fix. Yeah, this is the fix. I think, yeah, those things are much more readable. Let me just increase the font size, alacrity. Let's do 15, maybe? Yeah, much better. What do you guys think? Those symbols are much more readable now. I mean, much more human readable. Yeah. Looks like it is. Much better. So let's go here. Yeah, those symbols are now working perfectly.
Don't you dare say that I wanted everything to fall apart when it's haunting me. 'Cause my only crime was hoping there is something more than this loneliness I feel. But no one makes me feel less alive. We're fighting fire. The way you push my
All right, so things are looking fine. I think that's it. I have to just refactor the code. Main logic is completed. The git status symbol are much more readable now. Yeah. So we can just refactor the code, and I will push it to the GitHub. I will only push that thing to the main branch for now, because I'm not sure that it's a stable thing at this moment. So if you haven't tried this plugin out, just try. We are just implementing some great features to it. And maybe one day this will replace every file manager, I mean, every existing file manager for neovim. Maybe. We are trying so hard to make it happen. Just need your support. So the motto is completed. What do you guys think about this git status thing? Looks good? Yeah, it's really. So if you just make a new file like foobar.lua, you can see immediately this git status icon appear here. And if I just delete that, you can see it's gone. So I think that's it for this live stream. If you have any questions, or maybe more question about the updates of this plugin, you can ask, because it's time to end the stream. Yeah, the UI is looking pretty good at this moment. Yeah. So I will refactor this code and will push to GitHub maybe tomorrow or maybe after tomorrow. As soon as I what's this? It's a file manager for neovim actually. Bye Ravish. It's a file manager for neovim, which is a combination of oil and vim and a neo tree. I mean, you can have a tree view with all the capabilities of oil and vim. Like you can add some files to it like that, create like a tree view. I mean, it's just equivalent to a oil and vim buffer, but with the capability, I mean, with the tree view rendering, which is provided in NeoTree. Can I watch this live? This is live. Alright guys, thank you for watching the live stream. We will see in the next live stream, maybe tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow, who knows. Just subscribe if you want a notification. Otherwise, you will find those things by the YouTube recommendation anyways, if you like these type of live stream content.
Let your music taste shine with
So
premium.
that's it for the stream. Let's end this. If you have any question, then you can ask.
Entire squad without ad breaks. You can also play your favorite albums in any order with unlimited skips and repeats. Tap the
And by the way, if you want this repository here, this is the repository of this plugin if you want to try it. But be careful, because this plugin is still in its early stages, so it could crash sometimes, or maybe have some potential bugs. But we are working on this project actively, so if you encounter any kind of bug, then just raise an issue and we will work on those things immediately. Not big deal. All right. See you later, guys.